everybody, today I'm back with another video and we have a package today from BOBO. It's not a mobile holder, we already have that one over here. This is a wireless charger, so I'll be riding in a couple of days and these are all the preparations that I'm doing actually. And BOBO was kind enough to send me this because I will need this during my ride, so let's unbox this. Alright, so this is the box and my weapon of choice today for the unboxing is of course the key. I've always been using this for the unboxing. And by the way, we have a companion with us. Hey. Hey. I think she's dead. Yo, what's up? She's so cute. I love her. So this video is a part of my ride preparation, and there's gonna be another video because that's very interesting because I've got some accessories for my Himalayan, and yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is the box that we get. Let's keep this aside. And of course you get this thing. This is a VIP club. If you register this purchase, you'll get following benefits. That is 6 months warranty, 500 rupees joining bonus, exclusive offers up to 70%, and yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can figure out what this is. So if you still can't, then this is a GoPro handlebar mount. Sturdy, I like it. They give Allen key, so you don't have to worry about the Allen key. And this of course goes around the handlebar. This is how you fix it. You have one over here, and I believe this is a spare one. Final one. This is where you put in your GoPro. And this is metal. You're kidding me. The one thing that I really like about BOBO is the quality, man. Like, insane quality. I think I'm gonna fix it over here. If it's gonna fit there. Let's check. Yep, that barely fits in there. Okay. So, I think this is how you do it. You take an Allen key and you loosen this up. Yep. And now, I have to put in this one. So as you guys saw, this is not very difficult. You can do it by yourself. I just did it by myself. This is tight enough, I believe. Yep. And this is how you put it, right? And we have to put this one too. Alright, that's how it looks. So if I don't want to use it, I can just put it down here like that. And that should work. So that's how it is, guys. The thing is, this gives a bike a bulky feel, like a big bike feel. That's what I like. And I'm gonna put this to use in a couple of minutes. I'll have to go out and buy something for my ride, which is really necessary for this ride. So if you want to buy this, go to their website, link in description. Use code SPIL10 and you'll get a 10% discount, which is really nice. Alright, so let's go. I'll see you guys on the helmet view. So this is how it looks, the BOBO action cam mount. Looks cool, innit? Let's go. Anyur. So you might be wondering where I'm heading to right now. I'm going to get a new visor for my helmet. That is pin lock visor. Okay, I should be very close to the shop, the store that I have to go. Not really sure where it is. Never been there before. I've been to another branch of that, not this one. This seems to be a lot closer to me actually. I'm gonna be so mad if they tell there's no stock, because I called them. They said it was, and I asked them specifically which branch, and that guy let me know that it's available in all of the branches. So I'm gonna make a mess in there if there's no stock. Okay, it should be somewhere over here. That's... oh no, is that it? Okay, this is going to be a stupid day, I believe. Oh yeah, finally, after decades. Thank you. Attempting to take a U-turn. Mission accomplished. I thought it was up there somewhere. This is MT-103 pin lock visor. Undo. Visor le. I called it ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഫോൺ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. These guys didn't have it. I knew it. So this is how the GoPro view actually looks like while it's on the action cam mount, I mean, actually. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys at the store after all of this chaos. Okay, this is the place that we've been looking for. Let's go. MT Thunder 3 in the pinlock visor. Antico. Mission failed miserably. They didn't have the correct visor. I would have them killed right now because they made me come so far and they say it's not available. It's a pain in the ass, you know. So bad of them. Like, they don't care about their customers. So I'll be riding to Bangalore on 7th of July. I've just got a plan. So I'll spend 8th of July buying all of the things that I need. The visor and what else? Something else. I need to buy a balaclava. And we'll start our ride on 9th of July. That's the plan for now. Alright? I could have gone to Bangalore tomorrow, but then there's another package that I have to receive, which is an interesting package. Alright, then I'm gonna end the video right here. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're already subscribed, then I love you. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.